Make thousands of dollars without making videos. Step 1. Create a YouTube channel. Step 2. Go to pixel.com. Step 3. Download the video. Step 4. Just do basic editing. Step 5. Upload on YouTube. Step 6. Earn thousands of dollars for a lifetime. So welcome back to another new video. In this video, I will tell you such a way to earn money without showing your face and without voiceover, just by copy-pasting work. And if you follow this video step by step, then you too can earn thousands of dollars on YouTube. So if you want to earn $15,000 a month, please after watching this video, also start making videos in this niche. And also I will tell you how you can earn money separately by doing affiliate marketing. And I will tell you how you will optimize your videos and hit to make a thumbnail. And in the channel idea that I am going to tell today, these YouTube channels will be evergreen YouTube channels, which means you will keep getting views and money for a lifetime. You just have to work 1 to 2 months, and you have to give yourself only 2 hours of the day. So let's start with the video. First of all, you watch this video, which is uploaded 3 years ago, and it got 200 million views in 3 years. You can't even believe how much money it must have made from a single video, and you can see yes. This channel is also monetized. And the interesting thing is, it has uploaded only 1 to 2 videos in the last 1 year. And even then it has got close to 4 million views for the month. If see its most popular videos. So, 200 million views, 59 million views, 22 million views, 10 million views. This is another video on which 43 million views have come within just 1 year. If I open it and see it, I will see that there is no voice-over in this video. It has not shown its face. It has simple, multiple clips. And a piece of background music has been put on it. If we go to its channel, you will see that they upload only 4 to 5 videos in a month. And just look at the views on its videos. 43 million views, 15 million views, 10 million views, 8.5 million views, 7 million views, 5 million views. You can imagine how much money it would be earning by uploading simple videos. And if you see its monthly views, then it earned 10.5 million monthly views have been gained. So let's take the help of socialblade and see how much money this YouTube will be making so that you get more motivation. Then this is the socialblade. I have selected some channels and kept them. The first channel is 8K Videos Ultra HD. This channel has gained more than 10 million views in the last month. If you see its estimated earnings, then this channel makes $2,500 to $40,000 per month. This is an estimate, but this channel can earn around $15,000 to $20,000 per month. Because these videos are longer than 8 minutes, due to which multiple ads run on the video, and earning is also good. Second channel. This is a small channel. It has not uploaded any videos for 3 years, but still, it has got 228,000 views in the last month. Third channel. It has got around 4 million views in the last month, and its estimated monthly earnings are $982 to $15,000. This channel is also making a very decent amount. So guys, there will be more channels like this. You can find it on YouTube. So now it's the turn how to make videos like this. So to make such videos, you will need some stock footage websites, from which you have to download 4K footage clips. Then for stock footage, you can use both pixel.com and pixelblade.com. And both of these are absolutely free websites. From here you can download unlimited free footage. For example, if you want to download a video clip of animals, then you can search 4K animals. You will get thousands of 4K video clips. You have to download the footage simply, because you need at least 10-15 minutes of video. So you have to download more and more footage in the same way. You can also download footage from Pixelblade website. And after downloading all the footage, you have to add them all together in one video editing software and put copyright-free background music. So I use Adobe Premiere Pro. You can use any software. So I open the software. From here click on a new project. So this is the dashboard of the software. Now you have to drag and drop all the video clips. So watch carefully how. Keep in mind that the length of one of your video clips should not be longer than 10 seconds. After adding all the video clips together, you have to select all and unlink all by right-clicking. And then select and delete all the audios together. You can also add your logo. After this, you have to go to the YouTube audio library. And from here you have to download a cinematic type of music. After downloading, drag and drop it into the software. If the length of your video and music is not matching, you can copy the music. So you can see, your video is ready. Now you have to export the video. Now you have to export the video. To export, press Ctrl+M on your keyboard. And the video will start exporting. After exporting the video, you simply upload it to your YouTube channel. After making the video, we also have to make a thumbnail. If you know Photoshop, you can also use Photoshop. If you do not have it, then you can also make a good thumbnail from Canva. So for now I will use Canva. So open Canva. Click on Create Design. Select YouTube thumbnail from here. So this is the dashboard of Canva. Now you will need a high quality image, which is related to your video. For example, I am making a video on 4K animals, then I need an animal image. You can download from anywhere like, from Pixelbay and Unsplash, but in Canva, you get a separate section of the Pixel website. You can directly add the image from here. For example, search bird here, and select a good image. I use this photo. After that, you have to add a text, like this. Edit the image a bit. And finally, download the thumbnail. You can also go to Canva Pro, in which you get 100 million plus premium stock photos, videos, audio and graphics. 610,000 plus premium and free templates are also available. And the best thing is you also get the option to remove background. You can differentiate your design. You can share directly on different social media, and you can also schedule. The link is in the description. If you want, you can check the price from there. Okay, we have also made a thumbnail. Now you add a thumbnail to your video. Now we will learn how you can do affiliate marketing. So So let's go to Amazon. And here you have to search 4K TV. You can see there are many products here, by promoting which you can make a huge commission. By promoting one product you will get 5% of commission, which is a huge amount. You have to simply open your affiliate account on Amazon Associates. And then, by selecting the product from here, then clicking on the text, copy your affiliate link from here, and put it in the description of your video. That's it, in this simple way. Along with Google AdSense, you can also make decent money from affiliate marketing.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay, I think everything will be cleared, but one most important thing you have to do. That is video optimization. And I think this is most important if we want to grow our YouTube channel quickly. Because unless views or traffic comes to your video, then there is no use of making a video, nor will you be able to make any money. So I will recommend that you can buy a good YouTube keyword research tool, from which you will be able to optimize your videos well. So you can use vidIQ or TubeBuddy. Both are great keyword research tools, and are specially made for YouTube. The keyword research tool I use is vidIQ. With the help of this, you can find the keywords of low competition. You can see the keywords difficulty. vidIQ suggests the keywords on which your video ranks on YouTube. You can find daily ideas. You can see the status of your competitor's channel. And you can also copy its video tag. Even you can create a thumbnail. I will give it in the description in the link. If you want to buy up, you can buy from my link. So let's optimize the videos a bit. First of all, add a title similar to your video. Write about the video in the description. To add tags, you open your competitor's videos, and in this way copy its tags and paste it into the tags of your video. You can do all this only if you have a Chrome extension of vidIQ. So I hope you must have liked today's video, and if you are watching the video here, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel, also like the video, and please if you continue working on any YouTube niche, then you definitely get the result, then definitely follow this idea. So thanks.